Hello, it is March 2nd now. It's, I don't know, like 2 in the morning. And I just had Soul Kitty and Chicken Leg jump off the bed, go after something. You can hear the winds. We're under a strong wind advisory, and it's shaking my big ass loft windows. Makes the cat on edge. Cats. And still not as busy as the other night, but Soul's been going batshit for a few hours now, back and forth. Bedroom to here. I'm in the bedroom to the family room. And I guess we know why. And I've been seeing, again, the bright lights at the corners of my eyes, not directly head on. Face, I can't talk, head on. Damn it. So, I saw a diamond sparkle in the Buddha thing. I think they're blowing in through the bricks. The wind is shaking, and it's happens every time. Whenever it's crazy windy like that, they just blow right in. Oh, some of them are big, huh? But they are semi-translucent. That one was a photobomb. It's like choreographed. Wow. Photobomb man. Hello. They're going up and down. Up and down. And then they'll loop-de-loop and they'll go back. Let's see if I could. Loop-de-loop. If I could make any pop out somehow. Yes, I can. Alright, let me unplug this so we can see. Yeah, I guess the shower makes the orbs real happy. The clean hair and the... God, you like that. That's crazy. That all came out of me. Oh, that was beautiful. Blue-green. Two-tone. Oh, huge. Blue-green again, I think. Holy shit. And, you put your light in. And they go right there. You put your light in, you take your light out. See, they love the light. They love music. Yeah. And apparently they love the canopy. Okay, wow. And some of them are kind of solid, but not many. They're mostly semi. And I'm not really sure. Full moon just happened, so blue and green tonight. Wow. It's pretty. Alright, I am going to try to post this directly to my Aura page without uploading it, but